Well, the interesting thing about partnering with Spectra in regards to this is that just the diversity of not only the executive chefs that are involved, but the multiple properties that are involved also. At Colavita, we've got a wide variety of olive oils, a lot of our blends and our pasta. So it gives us the flexibility to be able to meet the needs of hopefully each one of those chefs, and at the same time identify flavor profiles that they're striving to achieve in their individual properties. We actually pull all of our pastas from our facility over in Italy right now. They're bronze die products and they're absolutely excellent, not just because I sell them. The flexibility the pastas bring to the party, the quality that a lot of the executive chefs are trying to achieve. It is a very high quality line pasta, and it's been excellent to sell and to serve.